Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and I am in the beautiful Chambray. We came here to Gozo to enjoy one of the top feasts there is here, Madonna Ta Loreto, which is in Ghajsielem. I am in this beautiful fortified home, so we rent a house here. It's very nice with this amazing pool. Here you can see the view of Comino and Melliha. It's amazing, yeah, the view from here. Lots of history and beautiful place. So today I will take you to the feast of Madonna Ta Loreto, and they will sing a lot, Viva Shemsh, Viva Shemsh. When I asked, they told me because this Holy Mary, she's as bright as the sun. And you will see a different feast from Malta, and I hope you will enjoy with me. Later we'll prepare, because here to go to the feast, instead of what we do like Malta, we have printed t-shirts. You have to sew your own shirts. I'm cool in one of them, and I ordered one, so I will be part of the family. And we will see a little bit what the feasts look like, and hope you enjoy with me. Here also they will fill a watermelon, even Malta they do it with vodka and blah blah blah. We'll have some cool drinks as well, and hope you will enjoy with me. This is for Chambray, very nice, huh? And this is the view you have from here. So if I go all the way up here, let me take you there. I will show you on top of the harbor. Imagine living in a house like this. This is your house. This is the community pool, and this is the view you have. But now let me show you the Mjar harbor. It's a little bit cloudy today, but better because the sun is so strong. This one here is one of the best houses here, with the view of here. This is the view from here. We have the Mjar harbor. Catamaran is docking in. Gozo channel. The breakwater here. There's somewhere up there on the Romain, Comino, Sangdagata Tower up there, and Malta. And the Gozo channel is going to Malta. But now let's go and grab a beer. Yeah, because we are not driving. Go and go into the pool. See you later. Now it's time for a short swim, because it's very hot, although it's very cloudy. And look how beautiful this area is here. The pool is super big. Yeah? Let's go near Popus. Oh, we have Popus here. Oh. The temperature is nice, you know. Relax here. We have the girls there, but better not get them with the bikini, because they would, you know, guess. Although we came here to hail the Shemsh, the sun, it's very cloudy, but it's super hot. And now we have all the team on board. So we have Sharon, the DJ. I am the vlogger. He is the barman and cook and organizer of the feast. And Marilyn, she's like a supermarket. Because remember, I'm the vlogger. I broke part of the camera. She even had spare parts for it. So, and normally Ironmonger, yes.
Many puppies.
There's somebody missing. Okay. So we take a small break here, and then we start the proper feast. What do you think? You know what we are missing? We have the glass, so we do a cheers.
It's against the law here.
We're starting. The pool.
Hey, you're going against the rules.
And 8 o'clock.
Until 8, till 8 we have to go out. So let's swim, so we go out. So because we already get warned. Later. So we meet again. Now we have Sandro with us. We have put on, what are these? Shirts? What are they called, Sandro? These?
Clothes.
We saw them. Everybody will be wearing this type of pattern, with some with shorts as well, some with dresses. So we have everything geared to be tas-sibt. Viva Shem, so he will start doing what I told you before. We're going to prepare the watermelon with vodka and everything. So we got a watermelon.
Yeah.
What we're going to do?
We're going to open the top. Hopefully.
Not hurting ourselves.
And not breaking the watermelon. It's a big knife, man.
This is the apartment that we are in. We have the girls outside. Girls, say hello to the camera.
Hello.
We have some appetizers, some more distira, and some more alcohol, so we are not driving. We're going to enjoy the feast. And it's very cloudy, yeah? But now, let's go to Sandra.
Hey, the hat is off.
No, the hat is off, so
The hat is off. Now, the tricky part.
So,
Well, that was tricky too. So now the tricky part is...
because we're going to use it as a bowl, at the end.
Exactly, it will be our cocktail.
Bowl. He's still carving the insides and removing piece by piece and putting it here. Remember that this one needs to still contain everything inside. First transformation of the watermelon, right? It's empty, carved out. And he has everything here. Now he'll going to do it into a puree, I think, yes? It's better you tell me, Pop.
Have a look, my friend.
Extra.
Okay.
Yeah, you get the juice, so you are squeezing the watermelon.
Yeah, the watermelon is squeezed.
What's next now?
Juice in there.
Juice we already put or?
Vodka follows, tonic as well. You know, when we fill the...
Try not to make it super strong like last year, eh?
So we see, yeah. I don't know the exact figures, Mike, but hopefully we are somewhere there.
This is what we're going to drink tonight, eh? So we have vodka, tonic, and the juice of the watermelon, eh?
Like Simba's good.
And we try to fine-tuning to be not so strong, so because we have to enjoy till 2 a.m. probably. It's closing the lid now. Everybody has his bottle, Papa's mixture. You will know actually what we'll do to us if the vlog goes south. You know it's his fault. So we have the watermelon, we have the vodka mixture, and let's go to the feast now. Huh? Viva Shemsh! We are walking to the Festa, and there is the church where we are going. Look how nice it is. But now, let's follow them, and let's have fun and show you how good a feast in Gozo could be. And I have my watermelon juice as well. I'm still following Sharon Papusara, and we made it nearly to the square. We passed from this one, the arch here, and there's the church, and then the main square. Lots of food stalls there, wherever you look. Ice cream, as you find in many feasts around here. But look at this church, how beautiful it is. Here's some of the decorations right here, with all these bandalos here. Look how beautiful it is. But still, the main band is not here, and this is how nice this church is. The main statue will come here, will come with like a zip line to here. And now let's go and find, there will be the band here. But look at those, look at this church, how beautiful it is. And this is the bandalore here. Wow, it's very nice, I still love the Zabbar feast, but this is nice to come with my friends as well. Now we reach the main part, and they're showing a video about the Here we met some friends, now we have Isabel, and you know him by now, the one from Sicily, the super Land Rover driver. And let's see what's happening here. Madonna Ta Loreto, coming. And this is the band. Now they are bringing the Madonna Ta Loreto statue up. They will put it on a platform here, rig it up, and then with a cable it will go all the way to the platform up here, and you can see that